Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, we are back with part 2 of the storage unit right here. We're just gonna get started. The unit it's really full. The stuff was kind of trivial. So what I did was I just took a little bit that I unboxed. I showed you a little bit because I liked it or I thought it was interesting, but for the most part, we went to the flea market, we spread it out. I showed you and I told you what we sold. We're gonna do the same thing again because time is money right now, and that's just what we gotta do. We're jumping right back into regular stuff. Look, bathroom, so forth. Jump. Yeah, we'll be going through this heavily tomorrow. CDs and stuff. You thought it was Troy though, huh?
I did, because that sounds like it.
Yeah, because there's so many, there's a chain jar in there.
There is. Let's see if there's anything in it. That's what I heard.
Coinstar video. Might still be jewelry in there. First trip going down. Gonna load up. Like I said, we'll be making a video tomorrow. We'll be at the end of this video, I should say. We'll film it tomorrow, but we'll be at the end of the day. Right now, we're just gonna load up. She ain't feeling well. Just stuff. That's what we're doing. We're filling up bags and garbage cans. Gonna keep loading the back. Got TVs. Second load down now. Ladies and gentlemen, look who it is. We have a special guest appearance and late help. Well, she's not late. She's just on time because she got out of school.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hi.
Let's come get her.
How's it going?
Let's see if I can get my head.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
kinda hot.
Look, it's all of us again.
Does not.
All right, this is what we got there close. You all right?
I wasn't expecting that.
We don't have workers' comp, right?
No workers' comp here, no insurance, no slip and falls and get some
All
money.
volunteer work, no employees.
You're lucky if you get paid. I'm just kidding.
It's not paid, it's called donations. Right? They're tips.
Oh, they are tips. Big tips. Jasmine's doing so good.
Yes.
Let's see, can we guess what they are?
Will this hold me?
More than one guess. What is it?
This bar.
Probably, you only weigh like 82 pounds. Oh great, look what she just did.
She's trying to make Tarzan now.
She's trying to make the water.
I just didn't want to step on that with all my weight.
Alright, I think we're good on this side for now. Go back to where?
Relaxation.
Oh, the cushions we could keep out before we... Load number 3 on my way down. They're gonna keep sacking stuff. I'm gonna keep moving and loading. Gotta do what you gotta do. I know a lot of people think you buy a storage unit, you find a bunch of good stuff and you make money because that's what's perceived. But the fact is, this is every storage unit. It's just random stuff. If I was to sit here and film every one of these bags right now, we'd be here for weeks. That doesn't work. Are you buying 1 unit a month? Are you gonna make that unit pay all your bills? No. If you think it will, then I suggest you go through and watch every one of my videos again and you watch the reality of what sells for. Now, when I find something, I give you guys honest price. A lot of people don't like my prices. They tell me this and that. Oh, you can get this, so forth. I sell thousands and thousands of items. I've sold over, what, 12,000 alone on just this eBay account. I've probably sold thousands on Craigslist, and I've probably sold 1 million items at the flea market. When I give you a price of something, it's not because I went on eBay, I found the most expensive one, and I told you that's what we're gonna get. When I find something on eBay, I automatically know the first 2 or 3 are generally, somebody bought them off themselves. They try to manipulate the market. There was a rare chance that that one went very high, but you go and scroll down on any item on eBay and you'll see, once you get down about a few items, you'll see the realistic actual sale prices of things. I look for the middle of all absolute sales, and that's what I tend to say something is worth.
Is there a code I can use?
It's coming.
I don't like that noise.
Second, no, third, fourth, maybe 4th load going down, maybe 5th. Once again, you'll see all this tomorrow. At least me and Jasmine doing the loads. Michaela's cleaning, she's sick. Jasmine, tell the whole world how school was today.
How school was? It was pretty good. I had art, well, photo technically. I don't like taking pictures of myself, so we had to do a self-portrait. And it was
Yeah,
really
here
hard.
she is on.
It was really hard to find a picture that I look decent in. And then
You're-
econ, I'm making my own business.
Whole world, tell this young lady right here that she should be very confident and should not have a problem taking pictures. Same thing I always tell this young lady.
I told her she was perfect, but she didn't listen to me.
Perfect. Look at Michaela with the just putting the extras on it. You look perfect, Jasmine.
I think you could drive this thing better with one hand than on the boat.
Who, me? I wasn't gonna say it, but I'm a cameraman and a mover. Now he said, how are we looking in the trailer?
We look
She was
Oh, okay. I told the whole world you're sick today, so we have to do all the work. Even though they saw you at the flea market and stuff, you're
They
sick.
saw me sick at the flea market.
How did they see you sick there?
Because they're gonna hear it in my voice. I sound like an
She
alien.
talks like that. I want $1 for that, ma'am.
Another trip up the elevator. Create a flea market frenzy by bringing these unopened boxes right to the market and open them right in front of everybody. It's good psychology because people automatically, when you get there and the first person to unload them, they're going to look at the way the crowd is. And when you get the crowd to be in your booth, that brings in more, better, quicker sales. Flea market psychology right there for you. You got to get the customers involved, and that's where everybody swarms. They loaded there. Goes Jasmine with another load. All the way down there is the elevator to this unit. We've made it to the back. Okay, we've made it to the back. I decided I'm keeping the dining table for my future home. Couch is junk. Nice washer and dryer here. Those will go out this weekend. Here we got, I don't know about this. Jasmine. Jasmine. What? Try this out. Okay, they said this isn't comfortable. I think those are the cushions.
The couch?
I don't think I like it now that I see it. So the whole world was like, okay, we're getting crazy now. Gotta lean back.
It's kind of bouncy.
Okay, it's bouncy.
Isn't that bad?
What? It's not. It's
The
not
back cushions, I feel like I'm gonna get live.
They're like not the right ones, huh?
No, they're comfy though. It's comfy.
I feel like it's missing cushions. To be honest with you.
This is a weird. Yeah, these are weird cushions for this couch.
Okay, we can't keep this. Show you the rest of this tomorrow at the flea market. We unbox and sell. Everything in the elevator here. This last stuff we got. Michaela's in the air conditioning while we do all the work. She's sick.
Oh my god.
What? I just don't feel
It's a
good.
real thing.
Yeah, it's real. She got a fever of 98.7.
I'm pretty sure she's harder than me, and that's hard to beat.
Okay. Anybody out there thinks that buying a storage unit's just going to be all fun and games? You see it on TV, you see it on YouTube. You think you buy a unit, you get a safe, you make a bunch of money. I'm telling you right now, those aren't tears of joy. I ain't how you're breaking a sweat of excitement. This is a lot of work. It is time consumption. It is, yeah, I don't even know where to go. I'm almost speechless. I don't know what to say about that. Technically, day 2 of the storage unit. Get ready for the flea market. We got that load there. This loaded here. And we'll be going through this all at the morning at the flea market. I'm going to spread it out. I'm going to show you some cool stuff. I'm going to show you it spread out. I'm going to show you the final sales. So far, I scrapped 200 in gold. You saw Alex get a little bit. I just told him to keep it. For his money, he paid for renting the unit. He got a couple hundred there. And then we made 1,100 after expenses today. So we're sitting at 1,300 on this storage unit right now. 300 to go until profit. We'll see if we hit there tomorrow. Oh, and we're gonna go back to the office and we're gonna go through this couple bags of jewelry here I just got. So we carried out, I showed you had the 2 bags in my car. Found this jewelry in there. Whoo, look at that right there. All right, we got everything laid out. I went through everything. Looked it up, or not looked it up, but I looked to see. I separated. We got costume jewelry here, as you can see. Costume jewelry, costume jewelry. Some nice pieces, don't get me wrong. This will all get boxed up. I have a secret jewelry vendor. I send them all my costume jewelry. They list it, sell it, and we split the money. And it's a good gig. I think I'm going to like it. So, we're starting a new box. That would have been nice. Jewelry. Makes me want to contemplate going into the flea market tomorrow instead and just unloading this unit and going through it. That was something that was in my truck from before. Sterling silver rings right here. Possible sterling silver rings. These are cute. We got butterflies. I see potential gifts given away. That's probably what it is. Look at that heart. It's the second one of those hearts I found in this unit. We got more. This might be gold. We're going to have that tested. Might be gold, might be gold. Silver. This is just marked RL or something like that. We have gold here. This says 14 karat on it. Jesus. Found Jesus. Not bad. And a 1/4 carat diamond earrings. Look at those. I like these. You know why? Don't ask me why, but I'll show you why. They match the ring. Let's see if we can get the light here. They match the ring that I've been wearing for some time on my necklace as a necklace charm. That's cool. Pretty legit. And they have a $250 price tag on them. Not bad. Like I said, we got gold. Pretty sure it's 14 karat. Feels like about 12 grams there. Nope, 12. That's not a good number. I'd say about 11.3. Snowflake. This is for all the snowflakes out there. This little snowflake. Silver, possible gold. Not bad. Makes me, like I said, I guess we'll know by 5 in the morning or 4 in the morning when I wake up like I do every day, whether or not I will be taking this load out or if I will be sorting it and then selling it. My glasses aren't even on right. 14. Damn, it's Thursday morning. We're here. Getting ready to start. Gonna sort this out. Gonna see if we have anything good. We're gonna show you what we found in these boxes, and then we're gonna show you what we made on the second load of this unit.
Damn.
What is it?
A wolf.
Wolf. We don't like wolves. Look, it's all sorts of clothes, ladies and gentlemen. Right off the bat, that's kind of why I didn't want to go through things individually like I was. I know people be like, Tyra, you don't look and this and that. But trust and believe, guys, I buy more units than anybody you ever met. Maybe almost anybody. Grimes might be creeping up on me and buying more units. But I know what I'm doing out here. Right here. That's actually, what is Victoria's Secret, really? Like, I'm Victoria, tell me a secret.
Do we have a burn pile started?
Not yet, but definitely we will start one now. We've already unloaded everything. I did not feel I saw anything of worthiness to show you guys. It's already knee deep in the dollar sale. It was just closed. We had such a small amount of sales today, and we're doing dollar. I don't feel well. I'm kind of sick today. Michaela got me sick yesterday. Been trying to keep it low in the filming. We'll probably break even today, but I left this full for Monday. And as well, I left this full for Monday. And being the whole market's full. If you look everywhere, people are selling, and it's harder to sell low-end stuff when you're competing with everybody. So I made a pimp decision to just sell off this crap. Didn't find nothing good. Stop unloading and wait till Monday. We'll come back and finish this video. It's like 9:30 or a little bit sooner. We're already doing a dollar sale. Like I said, this stuff was very trivial. I made a little bit of money. Maybe I'll break even for the day, but we're getting rid of this low-end stuff, saving one more last load for Monday, which hopefully will put us in the profit. Everything we took out, that's the dump run we're leaving for George. He'll come pick this up. Me and Tony and Salt Princess are done for the day.
At the end of that day, I probably only made about $100. I did not have, the stuff is so, when I say trivial, it's like cheap clothes, broken glasses, little kids' toys, books, coffee cups, etc., etc. I don't have time to take that to the Goodwill, so that's why I do the free sale. I like to repurpose it, give the energy back out to the community, let people take it who need it, and then I just pay George and he makes his little bit of money. The circle goes around of energy. So I wash my hands of that, because the average storage unit is full of that stuff, and you're trying to sell it, you're not going to make a lot of money, I promise you. I'm just saying. So yeah, $100 after paying everybody, I'm done.